Hi, this is Shumana. Welcome to the Creative Mess channel. In this video, I am going to talk about different types of cell signaling pathways. So, let's start. At first, we have to know some basic things about the cell signaling pathway, which is there are two types of cell. One is the sending cell, another one is the target cell. From the sending cell, ligand or signals are released and which are received by the target cell, and after receiving of the ligand by the target cell, now depending upon the distance between sender cell and the target cell, cell signaling pathways are divided into four types. These are paracrine signaling, autocrine signaling, endocrine signaling, and cell-cell contact signaling. What is paracrine signaling? Cells are near one another, communicate through the release of chemical messengers. This type of signaling, in which cells communicate over relatively short distances, is known as paracrine signaling. One unique example of paracrine signaling is synaptic signaling, in which nerve cells transmit signals. When the impulses reach the synapse, it triggers the release of ligands called neurotransmitters, which quickly cross the small gap between the nerve cells. When the neurotransmitters arrive at the receiving cell, they bind to receptors and cause a chemical change inside the cell. For example, opening of ion channels and changing the electrical potential across the membrane. Next one is the autocrine signaling. In autocrine signaling, a cell signals to itself, releasing a ligand that binds to receptor on its own surface. Next one is the endocrine signaling. When cells need to transmit signals over long distances, they often use the circulatory system as a distribution network for the messages they send. At first, signal or ligands are released from the sender cell and then mixed with the bloodstream. Then they go through the bloodstream to the target molecule, receive the ligands by their receptors on the surface. The best example for this endocrine signaling is hormones. Next one is the signaling through cell-cell contact. As we can understand by reading this line that sender cell and target cell must attach with each other. This type of signaling pathway is also known as juxtacrine pathway. By the way, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and please share this video with your friends. And you can watch my other videos on yoga and pranayamas just by clicking on the I button. And if you want to connect with me, then go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All links are in description. Thank you so much.